Hey there, YouTube, it's Justin the Junkie. How the fuck are you guys doing today?
As the world turns, I spread like germ. Bless the globe with the pestilence. The hard-headed never learn. This my testament to those burned. Play my position in the game of life, standing firm. On foreign land, jump the gun out the frying pan.
So today, we're back at the mill. We got two projects to do today. What we're gonna do first is make a stop for our vise, work stop for our vise here. So again, I'm gonna, get it down to size. It's a little big. I gotta take 140 thousandths off of it. So I'm gonna square up this side, and then we're gonna work off the other side. But I want to get a little stop here because I think I'm gonna use it in my next project. I already have a hole here tapped, so we'll just have to drill a hole in here and get this so this is square to the vise. So we're gonna have to mill it on all four sides and all that stuff. We're gonna get it flat because this shit is fucking not even close. But anyway, let's go along on this fucking fun project. Getting ready here to square this up. So I'm gonna take off 50 thousandths first. See what we got here, and then we'll start working on there's 50 thousandths. Slow the RPM down so these chips aren't flying everywhere. Okay. Now we gotta deburr this thing because this is a fucking hot mess. Looks like we gotta take off 47 thousandths. Let's see what we got here. Oh, 46 thousandths was the number. Alrighty. Now what we got to do is we want to come up here and we're going to square this side off first. I'm going to put this up in there and we're going to square the sides up first. Now we are going to use the power feed. And we're just going to square this up here. So I'm going to take 20 thousandths off this thing. Maybe a little more. We're going to go to 30. Oh, yeah. I think I got the speed about right. I'm waiting on my machinist handbook to get here. Really, this is all just a guess to me, to be honest with you. I really don't know. We'll deburr this thing. I like these a lot better. Now we should be able to clean off this parallel just so we got nothing in this damn thing. Alright, now we should be able to put this down here and we have a somewhat relevant flat surface. So now what we can do is come up another 30 thousandths and we're just squaring this edge up is really all we're doing. We're not doing too much here. So we're going to go to 60. 60 and 4/10, like it really matters. Alright, now we just wait for this one to go across. The power feeds are way good. I need to get a power feed for my Y-axis. Almost forgot my safety glasses. Son of a bitch. Alright, then what we want to do is check it to see how much square we are. We might have to tune it up here a little bit. Let's see how wide we are here. Okay, we are 123, 123. Okay, so we are perfectly parallel surfaces there. Shit, let me... Alright, now we gotta change tooling here. Alright, we gotta move some tools around, and I'll be back and I'll show you what we're gonna do next. Now what we're gonna do is flatten this surface, probably about 15 thousandths, flip it over, do another 15 thousandths. So we will do that right now. I put a bigger mill in it so I don't have to make more than one pass. We are going to come up 15 thousandths and see what we got here. There's 15 thousandths. Get some oil on this thing. Alrighty. On the power feed. Let's see what we got here on the 15 thousandths. I like doing where the part is a little bigger. I don't know if that's the way that you're supposed to do it, but that's the way that I like to do it. So we're going to take another 5 off this, just to make sure we got it square. Just small increments here. And where this is going to go is right here, to make a square piece. There. Okay, there's the finish that we got. I feel like that's actually pretty good. Now I'm just going to make sure I got no burrs here on my parallel setup. And we're going to set this back down in there. Okay, now I just want to check something here. And we're going to come up 15 thousandths. We're not trying to shoot a certain number, we're just trying to get this thing as flat as we possibly can here. Come up another 5. Let's see what we got here. These huge nasty burrs suck. You know, I don't know the difference, you know, I just take them off like this. Need a, you know, finer file. But I feel like this thing is pretty flat, but we were going to get out the 0 to 1 mic and check it. Alrighty. Well, there's the finished part. We're going to check this for kind of see how square we are. Make sure we're not, you know, like this is pretty good. So when we bolt this up against here, you know, we have a flat surface that this rides up against, if you will, just like that. So let's go check that out. Let's measure this thing, see what we got here. Okay, we are at 436.5 and like 436. So you probably need to work on the mill just a little bit, but you know, we're within a half a thou all the way around. So that's good there. Now we need to measure to drill our hole for a 1/4-20 bolt that we're going to put in there. So the next project we can do a stop, and we are going to make some binders for the truck, for one of my trucks, you know. I'm really happy with this surface finish that I got here. I'm actually pretty proud of myself. Not bad, you know. I definitely need to get that power feed on the y-axis. But all right, let's get this measured up, and then we'll drill this for 1/4-20. Alrighty, let's get ready and drill this hole here. I got a number C letter bit. I wanted this thing as tight as I possibly could get it. So this is a number C, which is 246 thousandths. These damn chips. These things get everywhere. Just check to see if this fits in there. Oh yeah. We'll turn this in here because I don't like that. It wants to throw it out a square. Alright, so what we probably need to do is get a washer on the back side of that. Well, I guess we could use it as a stop and then it swivels down out of the way. Oh yeah, look at that. Alright, now we got that in there. We can use it like that. I'm going to have to figure out something. Maybe get some shim stock or something behind there. But anyway, we made this piece here for the mill. You know, probably what we could do is mark out where this goes against this one and, you know, mill this little slot in it. But for right now, I feel like this is pretty good. Or I could have drilled and probably tapped this so you could, you know, tighten this up. But that's already too late for that. But anyway, it will work as just a stop to hold it there, you know, to get your pieces square. So when we do this next operation on these things, we're good. So guys, hope you enjoyed the video today. It didn't work out like I thought it would, but I will figure out something to get that square in there. And like always, you know, go check out the Patreon account, the snaponjunkie.com. All the t-shirts and hoodies are on sale. Go check out the Facebook collectors group. We got shirts on there. Go check out my Instagram, Facebook, all that jazz. And like always, thanks for watching. I gotta fucking go.